Ever seen new YouTube channels blow up overnight with just one video? Look at these channels. They all have one thing in common. Their first uploads grab thousands of views and subscribers like magic.
What?
Now, you're left wondering, how did the content that keeps viewers watching? Let's dive into how to leverage YouTube's fresh algorithm shift in your favor through 4 critical pillars to make your video a viral sensation. Pillar number 1, the right video. Thanks to a new shift in YouTube's algorithm, the platform now mirrors TikTok's approach, spotlighting new creators from the get-go. But there's a twist to win YouTube's favor. Your video must be high quality, engaging, and designed to keep viewers watching. This all starts with a viral video idea. The key is to find a video topic that's already working and do it better. To do so, we are going to use vidIQ's Chrome extension and its feature to tell us how many views each video gets from a channel, and also YouTube's search bar to find a video we're going to model after. Now, type in a keyword in your niche. For this example, I searched for viral niches, and viral niches for YouTube Shorts was suggested. So, click on one of the suggested keywords you like and watch out for channels that are ranking on the first page with low subscribers. Open each of them you see in a new tab, and then go under Videos. Click on Popular now. The secret is to find a new video that is not older than a month and gets between 30 and 100 views hourly. That's a good indicator that the video topic is viral and is performing very well for other small creators like you and me. As you can see, this one gets around 100 views each hour. Now, all you have to do is watch those videos and see how you can recreate them in a better way. Choose one of the video ideas you like, and then you only have to twist the title a little idea. We move on to the next pillar. Pillar number 2, thumbnail and title. Now that you have the idea, I suggest you start with the thumbnail instead of scripting the video first. If nobody clicks on the video, they can't even know how good your video actually is. So, it's important to nail the video idea down, followed by the thumbnail and title. First, I usually use Canva to create my thumbnails, but if you need more flexibility, you can use Photoshop. Make sure when creating the thumbnail that it stands out from the videos you got the initial idea from. Don't create a totally new thumbnail. Just add or remove something that will make it more catchy. To check out how your video will look, go to thumbsup.tv to see how the thumbnail and title fit every device so you can see if it looks ready to go viral. Try to keep your title under 55 characters. We jump onto scripting your video. Pillar number 3, engagement and retention. This is where the magic happens. Keeping your audience glued to their screens isn't just about the content, it's how you present it. Engaging storytelling and value-packed information are key. To write an engaging video script, I use a combination of ChatGPT and my own writing skills because using AI only is not enough to bring in emotions and a human touch to the table. And if you're a camera-shy person like myself, or just prefer not to use your own voice, here's a game changer. This text-to-speech tool can give your script a voice that's almost indistinguishable from a human's, keeping your content personal and engaging. In Speech Emo, go to SpeechGen, then choose my voice, and I paste my script there. All I have to do now is give it a name, click Generate to preview the voice, and download it. Links for all the tools mentioned in this video are in the description below. Pillar number 4, editing. Whether you're a pro editor or a beginner, tools like Premiere Pro and CapCut can help you add that polish to your video. Remember, the goal is to keep your audience watching the video as long as possible. I'm talking about the part that's known as average view duration. In other words, audience retention is the key here, which means that your goal is to get them glued to the video as long as you can. Therefore, you need to make it engaging enough. You don't need to over-edit stuff. Sometimes the value itself can hook them to watch the video, but the best is to edit it in a style you think they will love and make it interesting with some cool transitions and sound effects here and there. Video editing is a huge topic in itself that I can't cover in this video. My golden advice for you is after you edit the video, ask someone from your family or friends to watch it and give you honest feedback. After all that hard work, it's time to upload your video. Give it the viral title, ask ChatGPT to write you a short SEO description for the video, and paste it in the description. Next, upload your thumbnail, and for the tags, go to rapidtags.io, paste in your video title, let it generate the tags, and copy them. Now, you just paste them under the tags and delete irrelevant ones. Click the button to publish it now, and remember, YouTube will usually take 2 to 5 days to push your video to the homepage to test if it's good enough or not. If the algorithm receives positive feedback from the click-through rate of your thumbnail and average view duration, the possibilities for your video to blow up are very high. I think it's the best time now to start your channel because of YouTube's new algorithm update, so you can take advantage of it now and potentially monetize your channels with just a few videos and earn income straight away. So, in short conclusion, a highly clickable thumbnail combined with a viral title plus a good hook in the first 30 seconds of your intro, followed by delivering what's promised throughout the video, makes a good engaging video that is ready to blow up your entire channel. See you in the next video. Good luck out there.